Ang root, malalim. Kaya nga ang gusto kong tanungin, anong nutrients ang pinapapasok po natin sa ating puso? Let me just say this to you humbly and respectfully. Stop extracting from toxic sources. Stop it. Kung ang pumapasok sa ating root ay puro toxic, ask yourself, what are the things that you are watching? What music are you listening? Who are you listening to? What content consumes your time? Pastor, sabi mo stay eh. So I stay long enough in the chat, stay long enough in TikTok, stay long enough in YouTube. But let me just say this to you, do not stay in that conversation longer than you need to be. Sometimes you have to get out because you know that it is not helping you grow. It's not helping the nutrients, amen, na kailangan ng root system mo para bumaon to stay. Kasi kaya ang halaman, ang puno nag-i-stay kahit may bagyong dumarating kasi malalim ang ugat.